How to delete Capital One bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll guide you on how you can delete your Capital One bank account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you'd like to delete your bank account on Capital One, first of all, you have to just come to this URL, which I'll make sure to drop a direct link down below, which is of Capital One help section, where it says what can we do to close our bank account. Now, before we try to close our bank account, just make sure that you have zero balance, because if you have some balance in it, once you close your account, you will no longer be able to retrieve them. So make sure that you have zero balance. And here you can see, if you're ready to close out an account, we can assist with that closure by phone. So all you have to do is, it is a 360 online account. You can call this number over here. I'll also make sure to leave them down. Or if it is a retail branch account, so you can call this number over here, which is 1800-655-2265 or 1800-655-2265. Both are basically the same numbers. Both teams are available from 8 a.m. EST to 11 p.m. EST, 7 days away. Now here's the things to check to be sure that your account is ready to be closed. You can cancel all recurring transfers and payments. Make sure your address and phone number are up to date. Make sure all transactions are posted and are no longer pending. So you just have to contact the customer care, and then they will basically help you with closing out your account, because this process needs to be done by the bank and not by you. So you have to understand that. So if you have any questions, of course, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.